Dan Seidler here with another episode of the MLR Difference. I'm here today to say goodbye to one of my favorite clients and to show you some of the home renovations that we've done over the years.
Welcome, Dan.
Hi, Nicole. So you really sold the house?
It took just 6 days.
That
Can you
is
believe
amazing.
It? Well, thanks to all the work that you did, the house looks great.
Well, I wanted to come and say goodbye, and I was hoping to show everybody the home renovations that we did.
It would be my pleasure. Come on in.
Okay, great.
Well, come on to the kitchen, my favorite room in the house.
I remember this.
Do you remember what it looked like before?
Oh, do I remember. You had peach color walls and you had the beautiful oak cabinets and laminate countertops, I believe.
And the island was tile, which was horrible in terms of trying to get food out of the ground. And it had linoleum floor.
That's right, linoleum floor, and you had an old electric stove there.
That's right, we had an old electric stove. And I remember when we first talked to you about this project, Ken and I, and what we wanted to do with this room, you said, well, to do what you're talking about, you're going to have to spend more than what you're telling me your budget is, and here's why.
Yeah, I mean, it's easy to kind of look at a space and say, okay, well, I can do this kitchen without a problem, but if you really think about an old home, a lot of it needs updating, the wiring, the plumbing, especially the insulation, the windows.
That's right, so there really were no surprises. The only thing that was unforeseen, and you had no way of knowing this, had to do with the doors leading out to the patio. Do you remember that issue?
Well, when we gutted the space, we discovered there was an old wooden header up there. It was basically cracked and crumbled, so there was nothing to hold the opening together. So we actually had to put in a steel and masonry lintel above the door to reinforce it, and then we obviously installed some new doors as well. So we basically took the, the space, we put new insulation on the walls, new wiring, we put new floors down.
Everything is new. And the other thing you did was you had, when you did the demo, you had removed all of the casings in the windows and you had them replicated.
Correct, yeah. As much as we can, we like to take some of the old characteristics of the home. This was a profile to match the existing casings. We kept that all original to the house. Obviously, this is a transitional kitchen. It's got a little modern flair, but we like to try to maintain some of the original moldings in the home, so we had those fabricated. I think the kitchen is beautiful. It looks like we did it yesterday, but it's been about 7 years.
That's right, and we get many compliments on this kitchen. We really do.
Can we look at some of the other rooms in the house? Maybe
Absolutely.
The
Let's show you the kids' bathroom.
Okay, great.
Please. Dan, we got so many compliments on this bathroom when we were showing the house. It really is spectacular. Really happy with it.
We put a new window in because we had to locate the tub here. That's a fixed window, but it's got the privacy glass.
You also helped pick the tile floor. I wanted something low maintenance. This is our kids' bathroom, and this is not Carrera, but rather a porcelain tile that looks like Carrera. And you assured me that it would be easy to clean and low maintenance. Now, it looks great now, but do you remember the problems you ran into when we did demo in this space?
We actually had to reinforce the entire ceiling to keep the 3rd floor from coming down to the 2nd floor. We also reframed all the walls. We put insulation in, new ventilation, new lighting, got rid of the old knob and tube wiring. And basically it's, we reconstructed the bathroom, and it turned out beautiful.
It does look beautiful now.
Yeah, well, Nicole, we guarantee all our work. It could be 2 years or 5 years down the road. The way I feel about it is if something hasn't been done right, I'm going to fix it. So whether it's a small adjustment or maybe recalking or something like that, we'll always come back and take care of those things. But the way we kind of feel about it is when we're done the project, there's going to be almost nothing for us to come back and fix.
And that's certainly been our experience. Dan, before you leave, I would be remiss not to show you my husband's favorite room. The mudroom.
The mudroom.
I'm not kidding, this is his favorite room. It's so practical in here. And you picked out the floor for us.
That's right, it's a porcelain tile. It looks like natural slate, but no maintenance.
No maintenance, and this room gets beaten up with the bad weather, and we have a detached garage, so this is our entry into the house. And so between snow and rain, it gets muddy in here, and it's incredibly easy to clean. And this was your design idea when you did the demolition in here to keep this wall exposed, this beautiful stone wall.
That's right, it was all plaster before. We put cabinets in here to match the kitchen cabinets. Thanks, Nicole, for showing us your beautiful home.
Oh, it's my pleasure. We're going to miss you so much, Dan, and I wish we could take you with us to California.
I wish I could come with you as well. But there's so many homes to renovate here on the Main Line, but I'll definitely come and visit.
Anytime.
Whether you're renovating a kitchen, a bathroom, an addition, or a whole home renovation, give me a call. I will personally answer the phone and take you through the renovation process. That's the MLR difference.